Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a pattern command. Okay, today very important pattern command is discussed here, and pattern command is a first is rectangular pattern, second is circular pattern, and third is user pattern. One by one is discussed here. Okay, let's see. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, at first create a sheet, then use a rectangular pattern. Okay, at first create a center rectangle and draw a, this is a center rectangle, and mention any dimension is a this, and this is a 230. Okay, and then this is a 120. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a 140 is correct, better. Okay, and exit. Okay, then at first click here set metal parameters, because all command is not active, then unless we are not click a set metal parameters, then other command is not active. Okay, at first click this command, then use and all 3D set metal 3D commands is active. Okay, at first this is a wall is created here, and wall is and plane is a hide, because this 3D body is a 3D body is looking nice. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, material is a sheet metal. Okay, and apply here. Okay, and this is a double click here, and reflectivity is very high, because this is a correct, also correct. Okay, this is a apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and create a pattern is a this is a rectangular pattern. Okay, and at first this sheet is created here. Okay, and a circle is created here. Okay, circle and ellipse is a created here. Okay, nice, ellipse is a created. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and exit, and this is a cut out, and this is a cut out body, and this body is a upwards. This is a preview is showing here. This is a very nice. Okay, and use a rectangular pattern. Click here. Okay, this is a click here, and this rectangular pattern dialog box is pop up, and first direction and second direction use, you can see here. Okay, direction is a reference element, select here. Okay, this is a this. Okay, this is a correct. First is reference element, and instance is 2. Increase the instance, you can see here easily drawing. Okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, and this is a increase the not increase because outside. Okay, this is a perfect, all is correct. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a open. Okay, and again click here, and this body is, and second direction is a instance, this body is a this. Okay, and direction is this side. Okay, this instance is this is a, and increase a spacing. Okay, spacing is increase 25 is 26. Okay, this is a 27 is correct. Okay, 25 is correct, 26 is correct. Okay, preview is showing here, and this body is a this. Okay, okay, double click here, and okay, this body is a mention here. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Again, okay, this body is a correct here, and okay, 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 at first click here, this, and first direction is this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and reverse direction, and the spacing is a increase, and instance is also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again this body is a click here, and second direction is a reference element, this element. Okay, and all is a select here, increase. Okay, this is a separate. Okay, this body is a okay, spacing and instance spacing. Okay, and a spacing length of okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this, okay, this is a correct, and second direction is a this reference, this body. Okay, and again increase the, okay, distance is a increase, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, 8 9 9, instance is 9, and increase size is 20 is correct. Okay, and this is a 11. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a wall on edge, click here. Okay, this is a click here, and this is a click here, this is a click here. Okay, this body is a click here. Okay, this is not perfect, this is a correct. Okay, only use a, okay, this is perfect, and isometric. Okay, this is a zoom out, body is correct. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.